I am Dan Stahl, representing Rick House Bar in San Francisco. One thing I'm known for is definitely dancing behind the bar, so this competition's perfect for me.
Get down, get down, get down, get down.
Mr. Dan Chavez Stahl from Rick House in San Francisco. In the semifinals, he recreated at the bar like Pulp Fiction. It was really incredible. So it's going to be pretty awesome to see what he brings to the table.
I learned that one of the main things is getting the crowd amped up, so that's definitely what I'm going to focus on. Tonight, it's going to be lots of fist pumps, mustaches, and just all-around hilarity.
'Cause I'm having a good time, having a good time. A shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger.
I'd like to see them interact in a really nice way with the music. I would be happy to see somebody break into song.
Passing by like Lady Godiva. I'm gonna go. There's no stopping me.
If competing in the finals is anything like this competition, it's definitely going to be a stiff competition. You better be ready. I'm not going to be messing around.